Alright, these are the two bikes. 999R Xerox, as you can see here, and a 2003 R6. 2003 R6 is basically stock except for the GYTR exhaust. Xerox has a Termi exhaust that came with it. I'm just going to start them up just for shits and giggles and so you can hear the difference side by side. The R6, turn that off, and here we come to the monster, the Duck. You should notice significant difference between the two motorcycles here. You can probably see already warmed up. That's it. Just want to do a quick comparison of the two so you guys could hear the difference between an inline 4 and a V-twin, both with exhaust